another solar light project for us. This one here is pretty long. The LED on the end. And there's the solar part. The camera's kind of going crazy, going in and out. You can see it looks like they're pretty rough shape there, fogged over or something. And then the rest of it, got a on-off switch on the back, and then the rest of it that goes into the ground. So it's about 2.5 feet, something like that. But it doesn't work anymore. And this one had a like a clear, I would say, let me zoom out here a little bit, a clear plastic dog on the end of it. And I didn't need that part, so I just left that with the person that owns it. And my guess is this LED is shot, because it looks like it's got some rust color around the end there, and who knows what's going on inside here. But this has visited the beach quite a few times, so who knows what kind of stuff happens there. There's 4 screws I'm just going to take out of here. Take a look on the inside and see what it looks like. I'm assuming it's going to be like any other one where it's seen better days. Maybe the battery is completely dead. I don't know. Maybe the wires are broke off like we've seen in other videos that I've done. But we shall see. We got some beach sand. Yeah, that looks pretty gross in there. Yeah, got some more sand. I don't know how beach sand gets in there, but okay. Get these screws out of the way. There should be 2 more somewhere. There they are. Yeah, so that's what that side looks like. A little more sand and junk down in there. Looks like the battery has definitely seen better days. Oh yeah, the end is all corroded, you can see. This end looks pretty bad too. So it looks like we need to do some cleanup there. Maybe that's the only problem. Well, besides replacing the LED, I don't know. We'll clean this up first and put a new battery in it and see if the LED lights up. Maybe it does. I don't know. So let me get cleaning this up, and then we'll test it. I don't see no wires broke off, so that's good. Oh, speaking of, it just, either I just broke it off or it was broke off and it was just sitting there like that. But yeah, this wire is broke off, so we got to solder that back on there. Alright, so that's what I'll do, and I'll get right back with you. Hey, I got this all back together. I did a few things. I cleaned the board with alcohol, put a new battery in it. Remember the red wire was broke off. I soldered that back on. While I was cleaning it up and everything, the black wire broke off, so I had to solder that one back on. I pulled this out to get to the LED. I desoldered the wires that were right here into the board. This clear wire right here runs all the way up here and attaches to the old LED. This one is junk, of course, just what I said, because it was all rusted and I'll show you what it looks like on this little side video here. So I replaced that. This new LED is a little bit longer in length, that you can see, but it shouldn't affect it at all going in the dog that goes on the end. I hope it doesn't. But yeah, I had sprayed the switch down with some contact cleaner, you know, because it had all the sand in there and everything. I wanted to make sure it was all clear. And then I actually put some hot glue back on everything, put some on the board to hold it down. I put some back in the hole where the wires went down in there to keep any water out. And I put some hot glue around here because this sits up like this, so water's going to come down like this, so hopefully it doesn't run down in there and get in there. And then I also put some more, like they did, around the LED. But you know, even all that protection there, it still gets rusted because water finds its way in. But in the end, you can see we got it to work. It's a slow blinker. I asked the person that owns it if they want a slow blink or a fast blink, because I have both kinds, and they wanted the slow blinking or slow changing colors. So yeah, I don't know. My flashlight's getting a little dead. That's light. It comes on, so automatically. So we're all set. That's it. All I gotta do is put this thing back together, and that'll be it. It'll be ready to decorate the yard again. Alright, I guess we'll see you on the next one.